Henry, tell me how you got started doing these tune-ups and what is it going to do for my fleet?
After we bought this truck in 2003, rated as a 600 horsepower truck, just like I've heard other people say, this was an anemic dog. There's got to be something to fix it, and they all say there's nothing they can do for you. We always knew Caterpillar offered this tune-up. We'd heard down the grapevine it was. This is not a performance tune-up, this is an efficiency tune-up.
So with your tune-up, what do you do to get the full potential out of it?
I take the 3 systems that the truck has and I bring them up to CAT standard. I'll come to you. I bring my laptop, my communicator, and all my trim code books. We document everything. Take pictures of your trim code files, we take pictures of your ECM files, and we document what fuel pressures you have. And then from there, we start at your fuel system. We take up a recon pump from NC, we calibrate it to what pressures we believe that takes to run the truck under a full load, and we match it with a pressure relief valve. After that pump is installed, I will take my laptop and plug my communicator into the ECM. 90% of the time, what we see on an ECM on your injector codes is 5232. When we do a 5-cylinder cutout test, there's not one number you can put in all 6 injectors. So just to show you what 5232 gets you, we took our truck, brought it into the shop, put 5232 in all 6 holes, ran the cylinder cutout test, and came out to a 6.3% injector spread, which is really rough. That's about as rough as it gets. If it gets any rougher than that, it'll fail your injector. Now, to show you what we do here at ESS, we took our injector numbers, which we know all the trim code values for, put them in the same truck we had 5232 in, ran a cylinder cutout test, and we got less than 0.8% between 6 injectors. And that's smooth, guys. That's no mirror shaking, that's no antennas vibrating. And when you get your injectors that close, your power comes up, your truck quiets down. I mean, it's just a smooth running truck. There's a second to none. All 3 systems that we do tune up and make and bring them all up to standard will give you a little over a gallon per mile and rated horsepower.
So what's the #1 reason why I should do this, Henry?
Number 1 reason you should do this is for fuel savings. It's by far and away the biggest reason why anybody should have their truck tuned up. This engine efficiency tune-up provides 3 things. 1, it provides a fuel economy, which is at least a gallon per mile, which is huge on your bottom line. The second thing it does, you have a very efficient and smooth running engine. Thirdly, a safe and happy driver.